Hello, District Granny here. I still got my hat on, same shirt. I'm doing all these videos the same night. I have to do it at night, late at night, because I have my mom and my brother here and they need my help. So I just, I have to do when I have to do it. That's why it takes me so long to get videos out, because I don't know when to do it and I'm tired at night. And today I went to bed early, so I got up about midnight, 12:30. So now it's 2:30 in the morning. So, but this is my haul, and I love doing this. I love going thrifting and stuff, and I know you guys are gonna enjoy looking at it. So that's why I do the hauls. But anyways, here it goes. I got the pins don't work. I done tried the pins. But I got these dogs. I got 3 of them like this. They're pins. Then they go with these little dog houses. And it's really, it would really be, it says on the thing, a Labrador Retriever. So I figured somebody just like them for the decorations anyways. I think they're cute. I just love it. Now the haul I got today, I think I got a lot of dogs. I mean, the haul that I'm doing today, I think I got a lot of dogs. But I have a set of 3 of these. And I only paid $1 a piece for them. So $3, heck, I can put it on eBay and make my money. Alright, these I'm half tempted to keep, only because I think they're cute. I was thinking about putting them on my porch, because it's like a garden scene and stuff, and tools. But I thought these were cute. These were 2 for 50 cents. I think I would got them at a yard sale. And then here's this one. And it's got the little hanging thing on the back. It says something on there, so you guys can read it. And there's how much I paid for it. So, but I thought them were cute. Then, I got these, and I'm keeping these. These are just too cute not to. They're little shelf setters. And they're little mice. Aren't they cute? And they sit down on the side. I paid $3 a piece for them. But I don't care. I really like them. They're really cute, and there's nothing wrong with them. They say 1983 on it. Right there, something 1983. And this one does, anyways. This one don't have nothing on it. But I think they're the pair. But aren't they cute? Look at his stocking hat on the back. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. I love them. So, I got that. I got these for 99 cents. For the pair. Nope, I had to pay 99 cents a piece. It's Avon. But it's the creamer and the sugar. They look like apples. I have an apple kitchen. One of these days I'll show you guys the apple kitchen. Then I got one of these. 99 cents. They're for plants. I know that's what they're for. But I don't remember the name of them. If you guys know, tell me down there below. I got this. I thought this was cute. I'll put him on. I don't pay 99 cents for him. Then I got these little people for $1.99 each. But I still thought they were cute. I think I got all of these at the Salvation Army thrift store or Missions or somewhere. So yeah, isn't that cute? Told my husband, there's me and you reading our Bible. Reading the books, the Bible, and stuff. Then I got this, which says made in England. And it says old Get my magnifying glass. I can't see. Gotta get me some glasses. Old Coach House, Bristol. So I thought that was cute. So got that. Then I got this mouse. Yeah, that's it. Got this mouse. Isn't she? I mean, this a mouse. I got this rabbit. Isn't she cute? She's just so cute. She's got little chicks on her apron. She's got a bag of eggs right here. And I thought she was just so cute. I'm going to put her in the eBay store too. I think people will like that. Then I got this one, which is cute. Isn't that cute? It's got the little puppy up here in this little basket thing. And there's a little rabbit right here. A little sprout. And a little fountain, I think that is. A little house and little flowers. Isn't that cute? They're so cute. I'm going to pay 59 cents for that. I'm running out of room here. Okay, another layer. I got one more layer after this, I think. I got this planner. I thought it was cute. Paid 59 cents for that. Put my drink down here. And then I got these. I thought these were cute. I think it's cream and sugar set. I'll show you this one first. Isn't it cute? He's setting up on some apples. Some fruit, and then here's the inside. And there's a marking on the bottom. I only paid 99 cents for this. So I can get this sticker off. Sometimes them stickers are a pain in the honey. Yeah, I ain't going to be able to. But it's got markings on it. But I like keeping the stickers on there until I show you guys. Oh, I forgot this one. And I think this one is a little... It's cute. Wouldn't that be cute for Thanksgiving? Put it on your table. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or I'm going to put them in my shop. I got this little dog. Isn't it cute? Needs a little cleaned up. But I think he looks cute. Look at that face. Just look at that face. So cute. Then I got these dogs. Ever since I lost my dog, I've been looking at little dog figures because I miss her so much. But yeah, here's this dog. That's a pretty one. It's only 49 cents. 59 cents. They're so cute. Look like he might have had something around his neck at one. Okay, my videotape quit, so I have to do this part over again. But anyways, I think this part here had a collar or something on it. I don't know, but I still liked it. I think it was cute. Then I got this one for 99 cents. It says welcome. I might put some of these on eBay. I don't know. I can sell them for a little bit. I might get a little bit of money off of them. So there's him. There's their little... I love the back of it. So they need cleaned up. A few of them need cleaned up. So excuse the messiness on them. This one really needs cleaned up. But look at that. Isn't that cute? If I clean them up, then I might be able to get a little bit off of them. It's 59 cents. People like little dogs and stuff. And then there's these. And got this for 59 cents. this puppy. Oh, I thought this one was cute. I think I got that for 59 cents as well. Look at that puppy. Almost looks like my Mandy May, but not as, mine was gray and black. Mandy was gray and black, but she looks like her in the face. A little bit. Not exactly. And this one, which I figured I might be able to sell these two together, like the father and the mother. You know, I think that would be cute. And I paid 99 cents for this, and it was heavier. So, yeah. Let me see, I got one more layer of these. One more layer. And I got this. I got 4 of these. This one, 59 cents I got for that one. This one. She has a little teapot. And this one, she has a little spoon. And then this one, she has the knife and the bread or whatever that is. Crackers, pie, something. But yeah, this one had the apples and the grapes on it. Okay. And then I got these 2 little bears. I thought they were cute. For 99 a piece. And then I got this little duck for 59 cents. Look at that face. Isn't that face cute? And then I got this little bear. And this little bear. Got that for 29 cents. Isn't it cute? Don't want to drop nothing. Then I got this little bear. 59 cents. And I got, I'll go ahead and put that one down in there. Alright, then I got this little piece. Looked like it was a topper to something, but I think it's cute. But it's not, it's just on a rug. A baby playing on a rug. Then I got this little girl. 59 cents. I think that all this stuff I got in this box was from the thrift store. Or from the Missions is what got him. Wasn't that cute? He's holding his chicken. It's so cute. That one. And this little girl. She looks like she's not very happy, huh? She looks a little upset. And this little rabbit. And this little thing here. Got a little piggy there. And it's got a little trinket thing you can put down in there. And I paid 59 cents for that one. But I thought it was cute. So I think that's all my haul on this one. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and happy that I got to finish this one. It kind of upset me a little bit because I was almost done and then the thing went out. I don't know why, but it did. But anyways, I appreciate you guys, and I thank you for watching. And if you guys please like and subscribe to this channel, you know, and hit that little ding bell, and it'll give you some notifications for when I videotape. I mean, when I put out my videos. But I thank you for it, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.